Hi, I'm here today at my friend Christy Lee's listing at 1061 Acadia Circle in Erie Highlands. Come on inside and let's take a look. I have so many amazing things to share about this fantastic home. It is listed currently at $695, which is a steal for this neighborhood and the size of this home. Wide open floor plan, ton of natural light, white kitchen with these super cool appliances that you really can't find anywhere else. I absolutely love this kitchen. Everyone is really trending towards these features. A real kitchen window, which is always something I'm a sucker for. Let's go upstairs and take a peek. Massive primary bedroom. Look at that cool ceiling fan, coffered ceilings, dual vanities inside the primary, large oversized shower, oversized walk-in closet, really cool laundry space, cool secondary bathroom, full finished basement. Let's go take a peek. Oh my gosh, look at that tile. I absolutely love the space in this downstairs finished room and a rec space. You can do so many things. It has really tall ceilings, tons of light, everything you want in a basement. And then of course outside, look at that backyard. So many things you could do out there. Until next time.